Hello students. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating topic of improving food resources, a crucial subject for ensuring that we can meet the growing demands for food in our ever-expanding world. Improving food resources is all about enhancing the productivity of our crops and livestock. It's not just about producing more food, but also about ensuring that this food is of high quality and is produced in a sustainable way. Let's begin by exploring how we can improve crop yields, which is essential for feeding a global population that continues to rise. Improving crop yields involves various strategies, starting with crop variety improvement. This is a key aspect of modern agriculture, where the focus is on developing crops that are more productive, of better quality, and more resistant to diseases and environmental stresses. One method used in crop variety improvement is hybridization. Hybridization involves crossbreeding different plants to combine their desirable traits. Another method is genetic modification. This is a more precise technique where specific genes are introduced into a plant's genetic makeup to give it new, beneficial traits. Genetically modified crops, or GMOs, can be engineered to resist pests, tolerate harsh environmental conditions, or even improve their nutritional value. Additionally, there is a focus on improving the quality of crops, whether that's through better taste, higher nutritional content, or increased marketability. We also strive to create crops that are resistant to both biotic stresses, like pests and diseases, and abiotic stresses, such as drought or extreme temperatures. Finally, by developing varieties that can thrive in different climates and regions, we help ensure that agriculture can continue to be productive across the globe, even as conditions change. Let's move on to crop production management, which is about implementing various practices to maximize the productivity of crops. This includes nutrient management, which is essential for healthy plant growth. Plants need a variety of nutrients, which they get from the air, water, and soil. These nutrients are divided into macronutrients, which are needed in larger quantities, and micronutrients, which are required in smaller amounts but are still vital. Proper nutrient management ensures that plants get the right balance of these nutrients to grow strong and healthy. In addition to nutrient management, we have manure and fertilizers. Manure is a natural way to add nutrients to the soil, improving its structure and water holding capacity. It's an environmentally friendly option that enriches the soil with organic matter. On the other hand, fertilizers are often synthetic and provide specific nutrients that might be lacking in the soil. While they can significantly boost crop yields, it's important to use them judiciously to avoid environmental issues like water pollution and soil degradation. Another aspect of crop production management is organic farming. This method emphasizes sustainability by avoiding synthetic chemicals and focusing on maintaining healthy soil through natural practices. Organic farming relies on compost, manure, and cover crops to keep the soil fertile and uses biological methods to control pests. Irrigation is also a critical component of crop production management, especially in regions with irregular or insufficient rainfall. Irrigation ensures that crops receive the water they need for optimal growth. There are various methods of irrigation, including surface irrigation, where water flows across the soil surface, and drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the plant roots, minimizing waste. Now, let's talk about cropping patterns. These refer to how different crops are arranged and grown on agricultural land. Different patterns include monocropping, where only one type of crop is grown, and mixed cropping, where two or more crops are grown together. Mixed cropping can help maximize the use of available resources and reduce the risk of crop failure. Intercropping is similar, but the crops are arranged in a specific pattern to optimize space and resource use. Finally, crop rotation involves growing different crops in succession on the same land, which helps maintain soil fertility and control pests. Moving on to crop protection management, this is all about safeguarding crops from various threats like pests, diseases, and weeds. Effective crop protection ensures that crops can reach their full potential. Weed control, for instance, is essential because weeds compete with crops for nutrients, water, and light. There are chemical methods, like using herbicides, as well as mechanical methods, such as manual weeding, to keep weeds in check. Insect and pest management is also crucial, with strategies ranging from using insecticides to more environmentally friendly options like biological control, where natural predators are introduced to control pest populations. Disease prevention is another key area, where planting resistant crop varieties, maintaining field hygiene, and using fungicides and bactericides can all help keep crops healthy. Finally, let's touch on animal husbandry, which involves the care and management of farm animals. This is an important part of agriculture, providing us with meat, milk, and other products. Good animal husbandry practices include proper feeding, breeding, and health care to ensure that animals are healthy and productive. For example, cattle farming focuses on raising cows for milk and agricultural work, while poultry farming involves raising birds like chickens for eggs and meat. In conclusion, improving food resources is a multifaceted challenge that requires a combination of strategies, from enhancing crop varieties and managing production to protecting crops and caring for livestock. Now, here's a question for you to test your knowledge. What method of crop variety improvement involves crossbreeding different plants to combine their desirable traits? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.